So I'm going to show you how to do a quick screen recording using an app called Quicktime. So Quicktime's been around for a long time. You may have to search for Quicktime or keep it in your dock. But when I open it up, it starts off with a window. It allows me to open up files, but I'm going to go ahead and hit cancel. And up here at the top where it says Quicktime, I'm going to click on the File menu. Now, it can do screen recordings, which I'm going to do here in a second, but I'm going to start off by doing a new movie recording. This movie recording is actually going to give me like a picture-in-picture window. It uses my webcam, so I'm going to have to remove the sticker on my webcam if I have it. And it gives me this webcam recording that it can record at the same time it's recording my screen. So you can actually see me as well as my screen if you want. It's totally optional. You don't have to do it that way. But if you choose to, all I have to do is go to File, New Movie Recording. This window opens up, and now I can resize it and move it around anywhere I'd like. The other option I would recommend doing is under the View menu, you can tell it to float on top. That simply means that any windows or things I open up, they will not cover up my webcam view. They'll stay behind the webcam if I choose to do it that way. Now, the webcam does have a record button. We are not going to use that record button. We are going to use a different record button that's part of the screen recording. So now I'm going to go to File, and I'm going to do a new screen recording. From this window, if I click on the red record button, right next to it there's a little tiny arrow, and if I click on that arrow, this allows me to choose the microphone that it's recording my audio from. So most of the time that's going to be your internal microphone unless you have another microphone plugged in. The other option you have here is to show mouse clicks in recording. This actually gives you a little animation whenever you click on something, just helping people recognize that a click has taken place. So now I'm ready to record. So I'm going to go ahead and click my red record button, and you'll notice an option on the screen that asks, do I want to record the full screen or drag to record part of a screen? So if I simply click anywhere, it's going to start recording the entire screen, including my window, picture-in-picture down there at the bottom. If I only wanted to record part of the screen, I could actually click and drag a box within that window, and it would only record what's inside that box. So if I want my picture-in-picture, make sure that's included in there as well. So once I'm recording, and again, I have the button in my menu bar, no matter what it is that I do and open up, those things will all show and will be visible. So I can open up windows and move these windows around and be giving my instruction or playing presentations or whatever it is that I want, and it's going to be recording my entire screen. Again, you'll notice my movie recording window here is on top of my video since I told it to float. So once I'm finished, I'm going to go ahead and click on that stop button up there in my menu bar, and it'll stop recording. And now I have a video right here, and I can scroll through it and I can see my recording. It's got my audio in there, everything recorded like so. So now I can simply tell it to File and save that video directly to my computer, to my desktop, give it a name, and I have just created a screen recording. Now I can put that on YouTube, I can put it in my drive, upload it to Google Classroom, and distribute it however I'd like.